Okay, now let's look at the next example. Christian ran 2 miles in 24 minutes. At the same rate, how far could he run for 60 minutes? So let's look for the details. First, we're given one person, so we don't need to write two people's name on here. We just write the numbers. He can run 2 miles in 24 minutes. And what is the question problem they want us to solve? They wanted us to know how far, so how many miles could he run in 60 minutes? Let's look at this question. We're going to set up a proportion. So this time, because the 2 is a smaller number, I would like to make it a denominator. That way, when we do the work, it could be easier. Since it's just a ratio compare of two different units, either one on the top or either one at the beginning is not a big deal. So now let's see. We use the minute compared to miles. Now 24 minutes compared to 2 miles, right? Now, on the other side, we will have 60 compared to question mark. So now we wanted to see the change from 2 to question mark. We need to have the scale factor of 24 to 60. But can we go from 24 to 60? Can we go directly? This is hard. So how can we do it? Let's pause the video for 1 minute and then we are getting back to here. Now, after our discussion, I wanted to check. Here's one trick we can play is that we can use the unit rate. We can change the denominator into a what? A 1, right? I hope everybody already got it. So that says we found the unit rate by changing the denominator into 1. So from 2 to 1, what did we do? We divide by 2. So we need to divide by 2 on the top to be fair. So the unit rate now is 12 per 1 mile, 12 minutes per 1 mile. So now, since all the equivalent rates, they should simplify to the same form, we are changing our proportion into another one, since we can still have all these equivalent rates. So now we take this part as our proportion to solve. Let's look at here. I need to write it down here. 60 compared to question mark equal to 12 compared to what? Now, let's look at this one. Is that hard to solve? We need to look for from 12 to 60, what did we do? Pause the video. We are talking in 30 seconds. Shoulder partners. Now go. Get back. We have times 5. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. So 1 times 5 will equal to, okay, we need to go this way. What happened? 1 times 5 will be 5. So that is to say 60 to 5 is the same as 12 to 1. And now we need to write that sentence. So that sentence will be, last S is the sentence, Christian can run 5 miles in 60 minutes.